Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So my request is try this out to a point wherein you can split. Okay, once you split, after that I'll show how to take common. That might be a bit difficult, but till that point, please do try. Pause the video. So we're looking at root of 2 x square plus 7 into x plus 5 root 2 being equated to 0. Now, this is already in standard form, so nothing further. Now we need to split the middle term. So to split the middle term, we have to satisfy this condition that we need two number, which when multiplied will give me plus 7. Sorry, which when multiplied will give me root 2 into 5 root 2, that is 5 into 2, which is equal to 10. And when added, should give me 7. So people who are not aware of what we just did, so see, 5 root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 5 root 2 the whole square. This is nothing but 5 into 2, which is nothing but 10. That's what we wrote over here. Okay, it should be the product of the constant and the quotient of x square. Constant is this and the quotient of x square is root of 2. Right, when added it should give me 7. So once you do this, write the factors of 10, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 10. Always write it in pairs. Right, 1 and 10 is 10, 2 and 5 is 10. And now we have to choose one of the pairs. 1 and 10 will never give me 7. 2 and 5, yes, plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 will give me 7. And we split the middle term. So next step is to just copy root 2 x square. In place of 7x, we'll be writing 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 being equal to 0. So now, what is common between the first two terms and the last two terms? X is common. So we have root 2 into x plus 5. What is common between the last two terms? Well, to look at, it feels that there's nothing common. But what I can do is root 2, I can write it as root 2 into root 2. Okay, because root 2 into root 2 is root 2 square, like over here we have done, and that in turn is equal to 2. So we can do that plus 5 root 2. Now can you have a look and tell what is common? Root of 2 is common. So your answer will be x times of root 2x plus 5 plus root 2 is common. So we have root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So we're looking at root 2x plus 5 to be taken as common. And we have x plus root 2 that's left out. Okay. So whenever you get any combination like 7 and root of 7, just write 7 as root 7 into root 7. It works always. Or if there is a factor of like say in this case there was 4. 4 you in turn write it as 2 into 2, and 4 in turn, 2 in turn can be written as root 2 into root 2. So yeah, wherever the root comes, I'll explain it further so that you guys have a very good idea of how to handle roots. It's not too difficult. Yes, you need to be aware of roots and cube roots and okay, not cube roots, at least square roots. The basic of that has to be known by you guys. If not, it comes in 8th grade and 9th grade, right? Even exponent basics have done a bit of it. So I'll try to add a bit more. But yeah, surds, exponents, right? All of this has to be known by you guys. Please learn those topics so that you understand this better. It's not too difficult. It might take some time, a day or two. You have to spend around an hour or two, so you'll understand what we just did. Okay. Now, once we have split, the next thing to do is you need to find the roots. So to do that, I just have to equate both the expressions to 0. We have root 2 x is equal to minus 5. Divide by root 2 both the sides. So we have x is equal to minus 5 by root of 2. So they generally want you to factorize this. So minus 5 root 2 divided by 2. So that's your alpha. And next is your beta. X plus root of 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 2. And you are done with the answer. Alpha is equal to minus root 2 and beta is equal to minus 5 root 2 by 2. Now you can pause and have a look.